When we gather the evidence from archaeology, genetics, and ancient scriptures, a far richer, and more hopeful, picture of humanity's purpose emerges. If we view ourselves merely as evolved apes whose consciousness is generated by the brain, our perspective becomes severely limited. We'll confine our origins to simple biological evolution and dismiss any deeper purpose. By contrast, if we recognize that consciousness isn't produced by neural tissue but downloaded from a universal source, we open our minds to a far grander reality, that each of us is part of a divine energy permeating all existence. Modern experiments underscore this possibility. In one study, participants watched images, first peaceful scenes, then violent ones, while electrodes recorded their brain activity. Remarkably, the neural data anticipated which image would appear next, up to 7 seconds before it was shown. Every subject exhibited this precognition, suggesting our brains receive information outside the usual flow of time. This implies consciousness taps into a cosmic information stream, then filters it into our personal reality tunnel. Today's mainstream narrative, of human origins from apes some 6,000 years ago, serves to keep us mentally corralled, like animals confined to a farm. We live routine lives, working dead-end jobs, consuming media, and dying with regrets about unfulfilled potential. But ancient texts, once properly understood, present a very different origin story, one of genetic modification, divine architects, the Anunnaki, and a primordial purpose far beyond Darwinian evolution. When people first glimpse these translations, they find evidence of competing deities, each claiming credit for creating humanity. The god Ea, binds and sacrifices a primordial being, then fashions humans to serve the gods, freeing the divine to return to higher realms. Breaking free from the farm of conformity is like escaping Plato's cave.